Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add Gmail account on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to apps. Now from here, just open mail, then tap on mail accounts. From here, just tap on add account. Now to add a Gmail account, just tap on choose from a list. And from this list, just select Google. Now just select open browser. Now in this section, just enter your Gmail account. Now once you enter your Gmail account, just tap on next. Now in this section, just enter the password of your Gmail account. Now once you enter the password of your Gmail account, just tap on next. From here, just select continue, then tap on continue. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the services which you want to use this Gmail for. Now once you enable the services, just tap on save. Now as you can see, if we go back, you will find the added Gmail over here. And this is how you can add Gmail account on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.